Today, I'm going to teach you how to add chatter to a Lightning page in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful if you want to enable team collaboration directly on your record pages, making it easier for everyone to stay updated and communicate in real time. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and open Salesforce. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the record page where you want to add chatter. For this example, let's say you're working with an opportunity record. Open that record so you're viewing it on your screen. This is the page we'll be customizing to include the chatter component. Now look up to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is your setup menu. After clicking it, you'll see a drop-down appear. From that menu, select Edit Page. This action will open the Lightning App Builder, which is the tool Salesforce provides for customizing your page layouts. It's where you'll be doing all the work to integrate chatter. Once you're in the Lightning App Builder, you have a couple of options depending on how you want to organize your page. If you'd like chatter to appear on its own dedicated tab, click on the Tabs component that's already on your page. Then, click Add Tab. This creates a new tab where you can place the chatter feed. After clicking Add Tab, you'll be prompted to name this new tab. Go ahead and type in chatter as the name. This keeps things clear and organized for anyone using the page. Once you've named it, click Done to confirm. Next, turn your attention to the left sidebar. This is your component palette where all the available components live. In the search bar at the top of this sidebar, type chatter. You'll find the chatter component listed under standard components. This is the piece that will bring the collaborative feed functionality onto your page. Now simply drag the chatter component from the sidebar and drop it onto the chatter tab you just created. If you didn't create a separate tab, you can drop it into any section of the page where you want it to appear. The drag and drop interface makes it easy to position components exactly where you need them. Finally, click Save in the Lightning App Builder. This saves all the changes you've made to the page layout and ensures that the chatter component is now live and functional on your record page. And that's it. You've successfully added chatter to your Lightning page in Salesforce, making collaboration and communication seamless for your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.